Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to talk to you about late winter, which is what we're in, and the fits and stops and starts and things that are happening, and how it relates to how we are working in our house, and how it can help you know that spring is coming, and that tidiness and peace in your home and control in your life and feeling like you love yourself for a change is coming. It's coming. We just have to declutter and follow our plan, okay? So first, what is your plan? Well, your plan is to get up every morning and start your routines, your early morning routine, your laundry, your paper clutter, and then get into your zone work, 15 minutes. And when you're done with that and clean that up, put away, throw away, give away, then do your basic weekly plan, whether it's your weekly home blessing hour, planning and desk day, errand day, car and purse day, whatever it is, we want to get that done that day. So it's just those two things, zone and basic weekly plan. Unless it's a free day for you, if you're an at-home homemaker, on Tuesday is typically it, where you wouldn't do anything but routines. So that's what we're going to do. Now, if you think about winter, I know in Tennessee, somebody told me this, in Tennessee and in northern Alabama, they have a little miniature spring that happens and the red buds bloom. And then it gets really cold again, and that's called red bud winter. And then they have another little miniature spring, a couple of pretty days, and the dogwoods bloom. And then it gets really cold again. That's called dogwood winter. And finally, they'll have another little spring, and the blackberry vines start to bloom. And it gets, you guessed it, cold again, and that's blackberry winter. So they have 3 winters at the end of winter. Now, where I live in Florida, we just call that Easter weather, and we know that there's always some cold weather right up to Easter, and then we're done. But in those other parts of the country, there are these different little winters. I'm sure you have something similar. And so it means that spring comes in fits and starts. And when it finally gets here, it's here to stay. And that's the way it's going to look when you're decluttering your house. You're going to think, oh, it's winter forever, or I'm going to have clutter forever. And then you're going to get something decluttered and you're going to go, oh, that looks so good. I love that my dining table is clear. I love that my side table in my living room is clear. I love that my bedside table in the bedroom is clear, or my underwear drawer is nice, or whatever it is that you've decluttered. And then winter comes again, because you look around and you see all the work you have left to do. And you keep working. You just keep working. You keep working. And what happens? You get another little spring, because it's even better. Wow, underneath the bathroom cabinet's tidy. Wow, the bathtub doesn't have all those millions of kids' toys in there, and I've gotten rid of the excess shampoos. Wow, my linen closet is tidy. This is great. And then you walk into your closet or whatever it is, and you have another winter. And eventually you're going to have no more winter. You're going to have only spring. It's going to be all decluttered. Now, will it happen in the end of winter season? It depends on how much clutter you have. Maybe not. But I want you to know that it's normal to feel that way. Not for you to think, oh my gosh, poor me, I'm just a terrible housekeeper and I can't do anything right and I don't have my food planned. Well, it takes effort. It takes discipline. It takes a plan. So get your planner and plan out your week. If you're not already a patron, it's only $5 a month. If you can afford that, I'm going to be telling you every single weekday what to do that day. Now, I won't give you a lot of detail. It's a quick little video, but I'll tell you what to do that day. So today is Wednesday, for example. It's planning and desk day. We're going to do, we're in zone 3, the other room. So if that's your bathroom or your laundry room or your guest room or whatever, you're going to work for 15 minutes in there. You're going to do all these other routines. That's what I'm going to be talking about on that Patreon video. So it'll tell you what to do, not how to do it, not the details of it, but just what we're doing. So if you've watched How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies, then you know what I'm talking about when I say morning routine, laundry routine, master bedroom, zone 4. It's all in that video. Okay, so today I want you to, if you have all that information and you've been using your planner and you've just fallen off, I want you to know that that's normal, that people don't do this perfectly. No one does. And it's okay. I don't want you to expect yourself to be perfect, just like you wouldn't expect your spouse to be perfect, or your husband, well, he is your spouse, or your children to be perfect, or even your dog to be perfect. There is no perfect. We just all do the best we can, and sometimes life gets in the way, and we have to start disciplining ourselves to say, you know what? Yes, life is getting in the way today, so I'm going to have to be a thinking woman and do a little editing of this day and keep on going. Okay? All right. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.